Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we are going to make easy chicken and dumplings. All you're going to need is a can of cream and chicken soup, 2 large eggs, chicken bouillon, shredded carrots, chicken breasts, onions, and then this is dumplings that I made with my easy biscuit recipe. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we've got a pot of boiling water. I took my chicken breast, put them in there with the 2 eggs that I'm going to cook in as well. And we're just going to let this cook until the chicken is done. Okay, we've cooked our chicken, and I've just cut it up in bite-sized pieces. Leave the water that's in there because you're going to need that for your dumplings. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our 2 cubes of bouillon, and we're going to get this to going, and then we're going to add in our onions next. It's pretty much the same recipe as the chicken noodle soup. And I'm just going to get that in there. Get our onions. And then we're going to put our carrots in here as well. And let's put our carrots in. Got about a half a bag, but it's a small pot, so I'm just going to kind of eye it. I'm going to only put maybe about a cup in there of the carrots. And then we're going to add in our cream of chicken soup into this. And we're going to let it boil down until we get this all incorporated into one. Okay. And we're just going to wait on that to cook down. Okay, I had to switch over to a larger pot. That other one was not big enough. So I'm just going to take this, and then we've incorporated everything together. Now when I'm boiling this, you could put as much liquid in it as you want, but I'm going to say right about 3 cups of water is what you're going to need. And you may need a little bit more after you pull your eggs and chicken out because it's going to boil down. And at this stage, we're going to go ahead and put in our cut up eggs and our chicken that we've already cut up and cooked, and we're going to just pour it right in there. And like I said, this stuff is already cooked, so we're just kind of warming it up. That's what we're doing. Now at this stage, we've got everything in there, and I'm going to take my dumplings one at a time, and I'm going to put them in the pot. And you're just going to fill up as many dumplings as you possibly can. Okay, we put all our dumplings in, as if you can see. Now at this point, you're just going to take a spoon and just punch your dumplings down. And you know when your dumplings are done when they sink. And that's what we're doing, but we're just pushing it down. But make sure you put these dumplings in one at a time, because if you do them separate or together, it's just going to make one big blob. And right, like I said, we're just going to keep punching this down. And once they sink, then our chicken and dumplings is done. Okay, you can see that I've just been punching them down like so. And you'll know they're done when they sink to the bottom of your liquid. And these are halfway done. So it's going to be maybe no more than 5 minutes, and your chicken and dumplings got to be done. Okay. The chicken and dumplings, like I said, they wasn't even 5 minutes, and you see how they're sinking. And right now, your dumplings are done. Okay, our chicken and dumplings are done. And if you don't want to make biscuits, you can also use canned biscuits as well. Just cut them up in quarters. And if you want the biscuit recipe for the dumplings, just look over to my biscuit recipe, and it's super simple. If you like this, please like and subscribe.